Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka Be Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. So this week's video is a little bit of a throwback. I recorded it a couple years ago and never published it until now. So my hair might look a little bit different, but the content is still good. And it's about the modern take to a classic thing, which is wingliner, which I know can feel a little intimidating at times. So the tutorial is meant to break it down for you. Super easy and simple. And make sure you got your cocktail and or glass of wine so we can sip and see together. If you're over 21, grab your favorite beverage. If you're under 21, grab your favorite non-alcoholic beverage. And let's sip and see this makeup together, Annie. All right, let's go. So if you ever have trouble with symmetry, a really great tip is to take a sponge, not circular, but more of a wedge sponge. Use the edge of the wedge and dip it in translucent powder, and then you can line the wedge up into the eye to determine your angle and for your symmetry for your wing liner. Once you do that, go in, make your line, and then wash it away. Ooh, child, did y'all catch that tip? You're welcome. Now that's what I call a sippable moment. Let's sip. Now, on to the next step. So with the corner of the brush facing the corner of the eye, I'm going to take my brush and pull up to create my angle. Now that I have my angle, I'm going to continue to work with my outline. Connect the top and pull it down and across to get your outline and your size and shape for your liner. Go in and begin to fill it in. Lift gently so you can get right between the lashes and the line. Like so. And then take your angle, start inner, and pull through and connect your liner. So you can approach this a couple of different ways. We could have started inward, pull, outward, connect, or you can start outward, pull, and then inward and connect. And there you have it, your wing liner. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A really great modern approach to a very classic look. Drop a comment below, tell me what you really think, and also tell me what you want to see in the future. But you gotta subscribe so you can get all the notifications handy. Until next time, cheers. Love you lots. See you soon.